Hello friends, welcome to our fourth video this week as we look at conditional formatting in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a color scale or gradient to show the data value in a cell. My name is Mercy Consolate Akelo. Let's get started. Today I'll be making use of this cost column. Now say you want to look at your cost column in terms of whether the cost is high, low, or even moderate. Just come over to conditional formatting. Scroll down to color scale and then you can select any of these. Let's go with this. Now it automatically assigns values without regard to your midpoint value or something like that. To manage that, you come over to this conditional formatting, you scroll down to manage rules. Then once this window pops up, you select edit rule. And then here you can easily adjust such that you have a midpoint value. Let's go with 350. Now all values that are below this will be in the red zone, while those that are above it will be in the green zone. Let's say OK. Click OK. And then if we return here, let's sort this and see if the rule is OK. So 350 is here, our midpoint value. So we told it that all values that are less than that should be red. As you can see, they are all red. And then all values that are above it should be in the green. As you can see, they are in the green. Because this is a gradient scale, you can see that it gets darker as the values also become higher. And then this way, as the values get lower and lower, the color gradient also gets darker and darker. So you can use the manage rules to make many other modifications. You can make use of percentages. Come here. See that here where we had number, you can make use of percentage, percentile, or a formula to make changes. For the scale, you can as well change, instead of a 3 scale, you can have a 2 scale. And then there are many other options. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.